Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's see data science learning path in 1 month. Learning data science in just 1 month is quite ambitious, but with a focused and structured approach, you can cover the basics and get a right, solid foundation. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Week 1, Fundamentals. 1. Introduction to data science. Understand what data science is and its importance. Learn about the data science lifecycle, data collection, cleaning, analysis, visualization, and modeling. 2. Mathematics and statistics. Brush up on essential statistics, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, probability, and distributions. Learn linear algebra basics, vectors, matrices, and operations. Week 2, Programming skills. 1. Python for data science. Learn Python basics, variables, data types, loops, and functions. Get familiar with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. 2. Data manipulation and visualization. Practice data manipulation with Pandas. Create visualizations using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Work on small projects to apply the skills. Week 3, Data analysis and machine learning. 1. Exploratory data analysis. Learn techniques for data cleaning and pre-processing. Perform ADA to understand data patterns and relationships. Recommended resource, Data Camp's EDA courses. 2. Introduction to machine learning. Understand the basics of machine learning, supervised versus unsupervised learning. Learn about common algorithms, linear regression, decision trees, and k-means clustering. Week 4, Projects and practice. 1. Build a data science project. Choose a dataset from Kaggle or UCI, Machine Learning Repository. Apply the entire data science lifecycle, data collection, cleaning, analysis, modeling, and visualization. Document your process and findings. 2. Review and expand. Review what you have learned and identify areas for improvement. Explore advanced topics like deep learning or natural language processing if time permits. Join online communities and forums to stay updated and get support. Additional tips. Practice daily. Consistency is key. Dedicate a few hours each day to learning and practicing. Use online resources. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and DataCamp offer excellent courses. Join a study group. Collaborate with others to stay motivated and share knowledge. Remember, while 1 month is a short time to master data science, this guide will help you build a strong foundation and get you started on your journey. Good luck. Feel free to ask if you need more detailed resources or have any specific questions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.